Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita, teacher. Students, open your EVS2 textbook, page number 19, lesson number 5, Evolution of Mankind. What is meant by evolution? Evolution means continuous change. What is the continuous change of mankind? Okay, from this lesson we are going to learn 5.1 from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens. 5.2 Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Okay, in the previous lesson we learnt that the primitive man evolved from apes. We have learned the development of apes into human beings. Apes evolved into human beings. Okay, the next step of humans was learning to use their hands effectively to make tools. That was the first step of development of humans. They learned how to use our hands to make the tools. With our hands, how to make the tools. They learned it. 5.1 From Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens, the skilled human. The species of humans who could use their hands skillfully is known as the skilled human. Skill means a clever person who has the capacity to do work effectively. Okay, that capacity is called as skilled. Skilled human means they were doing their work nicely, effectively they were doing. The species of humans who could use their hands skillfully is known as the skilled human. They used their hands skillfully to make the tools. The first evidence of this species was found in border region between Tanzania and Kenya. In the continent of Africa. In Africa continent, the border region between Tanzania and Kenya. The scientist Louis Leakey, who discovered this species, named it Homo habilis because besides their fossilized remains. Fossilized remains means what I have told you in previous lesson. What is meant by fossilized? The remains are bones. After the death of person, the bones are mixed or underground bones. It's called as fossilized remains. He found some tools made by them, and he also found some tools which made by these skilled humans. In Latin, homo means man. See, human word how it has come. In Latin, homo means man and habilis means the one who used his hands skillfully. So this word has developed. Which word? Homo habilis. Homo habilis word has developed in such a way that in Latin, homo means man and habilis means the one who used his hands skillfully. Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. See, the development of apes we have seen, how apes were bending, and the Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. His spine was slightly bent and not quite erect. Spine means what? Backbone. Spine means what? Spine means backbone which are present in our back. Because of that we stand erect. Okay. But this Homo habilis, his spine was slightly bent. Their spines was slightly bent and they could not stand erect. Not quite erect. His brain was bigger than that of the apes, but as compared to the apes, their brain was bigger. Although his face and limbs were somewhat similar to theirs, but their limbs and face were same as a apes. The stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals, but which tools they made, they were not useful to hunting the big animals. They had a limited use, such as scraping meat. They were using to scraping meat from the skin of dead animals, or breaking stone to get the marrow. We can infer from this that Homo habilis was a forager. He ate he ate the leftovers of animals that had been hunted by other animals. What they were eating? The leftovers. That means what was the remain after eating the animals which were hunted by other animals, that remains they were eating. It is possible that he hunted small animals and gathered eggs, wild fruits, and roots to eat. Later, they hunted small animals and gathered eggs, wild fruits, and roots to eat. Homo erectus. Homo erectus marks an important stage in human evolution. See, now after apes, Homo habilis. After apes, Homo habilis is the evolution. Okay, your first step. Later, Homo erectus. Homo erectus mark an important stage in human evolution. Erectus means the one who stands erect. Erect means straight. Erectus means one who stand erect. Can you tell me from previous paragraph, did you understand Homo habilis where they stand erect? No, they were not standing erect. Okay, just their spines was slightly bent and not quite erect. But Homo erectus marks important stage in human evolution. Erectus means the one who stands erect. Hence the name Homo erectus compared to Homo habilis. Homo habilis. He had a more developed brain. Humans of the Homo erectus species lived in groups. As compared to Homo habilis, the brain of Homo erectus was developed. They were started living in a group. More developed brain they had, and humans of Homo erectus species lived in a group. Having seen wildfires, humans knew about fire. It is likely that Homo erectus had learnt the technique of facing the burning branches of trees to use that fire. They started to use the facing of the burning branches of trees. During his time, most of the earth was covered with ice sheets. Therefore, the climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learnt to use fire. See, the fire, who had got the idea of fire? Homo erectus humans got the idea of fire. Having seen wildfire, they learnt about fire and they started the use of fire because climate was too cold climate, because earth was covered with ice sheets and climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learned to use fire. However, he had not yet mastered the technique of making fire, but they were not knowing how to make the fire. Tools made by Homo erectus were more developed and symmetrical compared to those made by Homo habilis. Which tools Homo erectus were made, developed, and it was symmetrical compared to those made by Homo habilis. Homo erectus made tools like the hand axe. They made. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools in the continent of Africa, Asia, and Europe. The remains means the fossils which got under the ground. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with the tools in the continent of Africa, Asia, and Europe. See in this picture a reconstructed picture of Homo erectus. The picture of Homo erectus is shown here. A stone hand axe also shown here, made by Homo erectus. These were the tools of Homo erectus. Okay students, in this way we will stop here. In next video we will see Homo neanderthal. So students, thank you. Have a nice day. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and study well.